ప్రభుత్వ ఉద్యోగమే మీ లక్ష్యమా? గ్రూప్స్, ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్, గురుకుల్, లైబ్రేరియన్, డిజిటల్ అసిస్టెంట్, జేఎల్ఎం, ఏపీపీఎస్సి, టీఎస్పీఎస్సి, ఆర్ఆర్బీ, ఎన్టీపీసీలలో ఖచ్చితంగా ఉద్యోగం సాధించాలని అనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే ఒక్కసారి విచ్చేయండి. ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ స్థాపించిన మొదటి సంవత్సరంలోనే అద్భుతమైన ఫలితాలతో ఉద్యోగాలను అందించిన ఏకైక సంస్థ ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. ప్రతి విద్యార్థిపై ప్రత్యేక శ్రద్ధ వహిస్తూ ఉద్యోగ లక్ష్యమే ధ్యేయంగా ఎంచుకొని అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే అతి సులభమైన రీతిలో వివరాత్మకమైన విశ్లేషణతో డైలీ, వీక్లీ గ్రాండ్ టెస్టులు నిర్వహిస్తూ విజయాలను అందిస్తున్న సంస్థ ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. ఎస్ఐ, కానిస్టేబుల్ అభ్యర్థుల కోసం ఫిజికల్ తో పాటు ప్రత్యేక శిక్షణా తరగతులు, ఆన్లైన్ మరియు ఆఫ్లైన్ తరగతుల సదుపాయం కలదు. ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ యాప్ గూగుల్ ప్లే స్టోర్ యందు కలదు. ఆఫ్లైన్ కోర్సు తీసుకున్న వారికి ఆన్లైన్ కోర్సు ఉచితంగా లభించును. ఇప్పుడే రిజిస్టర్ అవ్వడం కోసం సంప్రదించండి 6309398306. డైరెక్టర్ ప్రశాంత్ వర్మ. ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అకాడమీ. మా బ్రాంచులు హైదరాబాద్, హన్మకొండలో కలవు.
Topic is here. The next concept is here NISAT. Okay, NISAT. The full form of this one, National Information. Please remember, this is a very important abbreviated National Information System in Science and Technology. Science and okay. So this is a very important abbreviated form, NISAT. NISAT, National Information System in Science and Technology. Okay, here national, I for information, system in science and technology. Please remember, National Information System in Science and Technology. You have to remember with a key point, National Information System in Science and Technology, NISAT. So it was established in the year particularly 1975. Please remember the year of establishment of NISAT in the year 1975, and fully started, fully organized, fully worked from 1977. Establishment in the year 1975, but it was enacted, it was applied in the operations from the beginning of the 1977. So under the Department of the Science and Technology of the country. So under the Department of Science and Technology of government. So who is sponsored of NISAT? We can say the Department of Science and Technology of the country is the sponsor of the NISAT in India. So what are the activities of the NISAT? We can say acquisition of the documents, acquisition, procurement of the documents, and union catalog preparations, and current awareness services, CAS services, current awareness services, and selective destination information, SDI services. Then information services to the particular industries. It is providing the information related of the industries, and training in information science, particularly how to get the how to achieve the works. It is giving training to them in the science level. Then research of information science to provide again the research in particularly in the sector of this science. International coordination with others, FID, INES, and agrees with various countries. This is the information about the NISAT. So NISAT was established in the 1975 and it is fully operated coming from the 1977 and organized by Science and Technology of the government. So this is the information about the NISAT. Coming to the next topic, NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ. Now, what is the full form of the NASDAQ? They will ask the question. The full form of the NASDAQ. National Social Science Documentation Center. Okay, the full form of the NASDAQ. Here, National Social Science Documentation Center. National NA for here. National Social Science. SS stands for here. National Social Science Documentation Center. Okay, so it was established in the year particularly 1970. The NASDAQ was established in the year 1970 by the Indian Council of Social Science Research, ICSSR. Indian Council of Social Science Research. It is the sponsored organization. It was located at New Delhi. Is it no? It is a division of ICSSR. The NASDAQ is the one of the division of Indian Council Social Science Research part. So what are the objectives from the NASDAQ? It is providing information and supporting to social science research activities in the country. Supporting to what? Social science research development. This organization is well equipped with resources and facilities and carrying out useful programs and projects related of the social science only. So what are activity done through the NASDAQ? Now here document activities, reference services, continuing education programs and membership development and resource sharing, data sharing and publications and database services also provided by the NASDAQ and literature service from digital databases, online databases and offline databases, and also giving bibliography on demand, bibliography facilities on demand, current awareness services, research information services and professional skills development and networking facilities. Then ICSSR publication sales and distributions. It is placing activities and role. So these are the information about the NASDAQ. It was over. Coming to the next concept is here INSDAQ. Okay, very important documentation center, INSDAQ. It has the full form Indian. What is the full form of INSDAQ? Indian National Scientific Documentation Center. Okay, please remember the full form of INSDAQ. INSDAQ stands for Indian National Scientific Documentation Center. Indian National Scientific Documentation Center. The INSDAQ stands for Indian National Scientific, not social, scientific Documentation Center. So here the INSDOC was established in the year particularly 1952. Year of establishment of INSDOC 1952 by the Government of India, by the Government of India, Government of India with technical assistance from UNESCO, with technical assistance from UNESCO. So normally the UNESCO is also placing important role in establishment of the INSDOC. Okay, it is a national documentation center. So itself national is the word is there, National Documentation Center. INSDOC is a national documentation center. Is it Yes, of India in the field of the science. Particularly INSDOC is running with a specific field of the science, the scientific information. S stands for scientific. So INSDOC has been dividing into various 8 sections, 8 divisions. More than 300 staff or personnels are available in that one organization. 300 staff or personal staff. What are the functions coming to this INSDOC? To receive and retention all scientific periodicals which may be of use of the country for the purpose of country development and collect the scientific information from various level. To information to scientists and engineers of articles which may be value to them by issuing monthly bulletin of abstracts, which is most useful to the scientists and engineers. The articles are provided by the INSDOC. To answer specific inquiries for information available with the centers. If there is, you have any queries, you can ask related of the sciences. They provide the information. This is the helping concept of the INSDOC. So it is also giving more services and activities like document procurement service, document procurement services, and bibliography information service, bibliographic service, and internet retrieval. Okay, internet retrieval, information retrieval system, education and training services, training section services. A national science library it is maintaining, national science library, as like that it is doing that activities. And Russian Science Information Center, USSR, from the 1971 onwards, it is linking with that program. It is a project started with development of the science. The USSR also linking. So it was started in 1971 also. The National Science Foundation, United States, also linking with INSDOC Center. It was started in 1967. The USA is also participating in this program. It is an agreement council for a project. Then translation services. Then publications related to the scientific information. So this is the information regarding the next concept is here DESIDOC. DESIDOC. What is the full form of DESIDOC? Here, Defense, Science, Information, Defense, Science, Information, and Documentation Center. This is the full form of DESIDOC. D for Defense. Here DE for defense, science, information and documentation center. So DESIDOC stands for Defense Science Information and Documentation Center. It is the full form, very important. Now it was established in the year particularly 1958. 1952 is the INSDOC. DESDOC was established in the year 1958 under the Defense Research Development Organization. It is a sponsored organization. Defense Research Development Organization is the sponsored organization. We can say this is the abbreviated form DRDO. DRDO is the sponsorship organization of DESIDOC in the year 1958. DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. It serves primarily the information requirement of DRDO scientists. Primarily, it is giving the information to DRDO scientists to provide essential science and technical research development information rapidly, accurately and reliable to support DRDO scientists' needs, scientists' requirements. It is to work as a scientific information and documentation center. Simply, it was the name same specified in that one. To satisfy the needs of the DRDO and others organizations. And it is collect, record, dissemination of the scientific information and technology information. And to work as a repository of a technical and research coverage information. To have a close relation with the INSDOC. The DESDOC is linking with the INSDOC center. The DESDOC is connected with the INSDOC center information to prepare a translation of the literature of foreign languages also. Okay, foreign languages and reports. The DESDOC programs and activities are here library collections and documentation services and translation services. Each and every documentations are servicing like this, but translation services from one language to another language, if there is any technical words, the meanings, it is giving the information promptly. And reprographic services, nothing but a Xerox, fax mail, like that. Training programs, it is also conducting the training programs and some publications and seminars. So these are the things are done through the DESDOC center. Okay, DESDOC center is giving certain activities and providing certain services. Over.